Imagine a document which contains details about most of your financial transactions, like the income you earn from your salary, or the interest income you earn from fixed deposit, or the capital gains from stocks or mutual fund, or even the TDS deducted by your employer. I'm talking about AIS, or the Annual Information Statement. Yes, in this video, I'm going to explain you how you can easily download AIS from the income tax portal. Firstly, go to Google and search for the income tax portal and open the first website. Then click on the login button at the top right corner. Here, enter your user ID, which is usually your PAN number, followed by your password to log into your account. Next, click on the AIS section at the top of the screen. Now, please click on the Download AIS TIS button. On the next screen, you will have three download options. You can click on the first option to download AIS in the PDF format. After downloading, you will need to enter a password to open this AIS. The password is very simple. Firstly, please enter your PAN number in lowercase followed by your date of birth. For example, if the PAN is ABCDE1234A and the date of birth is 1st January 1991, then your password will be as shown on the screen. So friends, if you like this video, make sure to share this with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos.